Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna share with you how I did this nail set, and I gotta say this is the easiest nail set I ever done. Like the nail by itself, it took me only like maybe 10 minutes for one hand. So today I'm gonna use this full cover nail tip from enailcouture and this one in shape Almond. So this nail I likes it because it's not too long, not too short, one of my favorite shape. And I also use the DIY gel from enailcouture. I already prepped my nail off camera today, and also the video today I'm not gonna use any e-file at all, just use hand file. So when I prep my nail, I would just push back my cuticle and scrape off the dead skin, applying the primer, dehydrator, and base coat. So as you can see right here, I'm applying the gel on the tip of the nail and just press on the nail. Like that is the easiest thing. And what I love about this gel is when you press on the nail, it stays still. It didn't move for like maybe 5 to 6 seconds, and that's what I love about this one, because it gives me enough time. I can able to move my hand to the light, so I don't have to flash cure with the little lamp holding the finger. I'll just put my hand directly in the big lamp, and I flash cure them for like maybe 10 seconds each nail, and I repeat the same thing to the rest of the nail. So what I learned about this is I apply a little bit goes a long way, depend how big your nail bed is. So you will kind of get used to it after a few finger, and you know exactly how much gel you will apply. And I just apply a little bit around the cuticle and press it down. As you can see, they are stayed still, didn't move at all, and here it is. It's kind of almost done. So today I'm gonna use this nail Addict nail gel polish. They really kindly sent it to me, and I really love the color. And here is their base coat. The consistency is medium, not too thin, not too thick, which I like. And this is their top coat. Me personally, I like thinner top coat. Somehow it's easier for me to apply. I have some of them that kind of in the thicker side. I kind of don't like it that much. And here is the first color, and it's like a baby pink, and it smelled like bubblegum. Like I love it so much, and the consistency is really nice. And this second one is a nude one, and this one is more in the more like a sheer side, more like a translucent, and you can see through a little bit. And this is the purple one. It's like a lilac color. I really love this one, and this color is the color I'm using today on my nail. And I love it because you can actually get away with one coat, and this one is my favorite one of all of them that they sent me. Is kind of like remind me of the Aurora chrome, if you know what I'm talking about. Lately it's really popular, and the way it applying, it looks just like that. So right now I'm just gonna do the swatches for you, so you can see how thick the gel polish and how the color look like after applying. And you can see right here, that's one coat, and this one is more like a sheer side, but I actually really likes it. Even it was sheer, but when you apply it, kind of like the color look even, like it didn't look patchy at all. So you can actually get away with one coat. And the same thing with the purple. It's the consistency is just like the pink one, and they are really pigmented, and I really love it. It's covered the nail real nice with one coat. And this color, it looks so nice, and I actually use this one today too, just one finger, but I love it how it turned out. And you can see they look really beautiful. Have a little hint of purple, and here is all the color look like after I'm applying two coat, and they look really beautiful. I love it so much. So today I'm not gonna use e-file at all, and I make it so easy for the beginner, because I know not everyone, first starting doing nail can able to do the e-file and using it really careful. if you're not careful, you might cut yourself. So with this technique, how to do nail, I love it. It's so easy. Everyone can do it, even you are a beginner. It's so much easier. You just use hand file, and right here I'm just using this 100/180 file and buff it like a buffer on top of the nail, and focus on the around the cuticle area, making sure I blend it in nice and flesh. And because it's so thin around the cuticle area, it didn't actually need that much file. And on the side of the nail, the shape is already nice, so I just do a little bit. So after I dust the nail off, I'm using some alcohol wipe to wipe off any dust before I start polish my nail. And here how they look like. So right now I'm gonna applying some base coat on the whole nail just to blend in everything, especially around the cuticle area, just to fill it in right there if it have any gap, and smooth out everything before I starting to color the nail. And this nail, if I didn't include polish the nail, it's maybe only took me maybe 10 minutes for one hand. So if you actually do it on yourself and you do both hand, it's only took 20 minutes to put the nails on. That's like a fastest set ever. And after that, yeah, you applying the polish, and depend on what you want, the design, all that will add up the time. But the nail by itself actually really fast. So today I'm using this purple one, and I'm applying 2 coat on most of the nail, and except the ring finger, I'm gonna use the pink one and also the Aurora chrome. I will leave all their name of the polish on the screen, so you guys, if you guys likes and interesting, you can purchase it. I also have discount code, and I will link it down below for you guys. So if you guys want to purchase it, you can save some money. Yeah, and this is like a simplest nail set I ever done, and the fastest one. If you are in the last minute, or you kind of like not in the mood to scope out the nail for someone already know how to do nail, this is like the easiest way. And if you are the beginner, it's a great start if you want to try it out. So right here I'm already applying 2 coats on all of the color, and I'm applying a thin layer of this Aurora chrome gel color. I think the name is Playground, and I apply a thin layer on top just to give it a little effect, and I actually really love how they look like. And right now I'm just applying the top coat on all of the nail, nice and thin. So what it's come to the way I doing this nail, I like to, when you do gel polish on top of the nail, I like to do as thin as possible. The coat, I rather do it thin, and I do more layer than just 1 coat and do it so thick, and the nail shape will kind of like lose the nail shape. It won't look that nice, so I keep them nice and thin. So today I'm also gonna use this Aurora chrome from enailcouture I just got, and I really love the color, and I love it how they press it in, so you don't have to worry about if you will spill it like the other chrome, like a powdery. So right now I'm just rubbing this chrome on top of the purple color just to see how it look. And to be honest with you, if when I use it like this on top of the color, the way it turned out look just exactly like the unicorn chrome that I had before. So I will definitely try it again without the color underneath, with just clear nail, just to see how they are turned out, because I have a plan in the future for some nail set like a Aurora nail, so I would definitely do that. So if you are a simple person, you just like the color, you can just leave it the way it is. It looks absolutely beautiful like that. But me, I'm kind of like a little bit extra, so I also gonna use this nail charm that I got from enailcouture, and some of this bear I just got from Amazon. So the charm, I really love it because I think it's called Rich Girl Charm, something like that. I will link it down below if you guys interesting. And I also used the gem gel to apply. So I'll just use a nail buff on top of the nail where I'm gonna apply the nail charm, so it will help the charm stay on better this way. And I would just apply one charm on each nail, and the thumb I'll just do one of the bare and apply a thin layer of the top coat around the charm just to seal it in the gemstone, so it won't have any texture or the gap between of the charm and the color. And I also do the same thing to the rest of the nail except of the ring finger, because the nail charm was kind of like a moon shape. So when I applying the gemstone, I kind of like doing the moon shape, so it will kind of follow the gemstone, so it won't have a lot of extra gel. And yeah, I hope you guys like this nail set. I have so much fun making this nail. It was so much faster. And yeah, I didn't feel stressful at all. I having so much fun. I hope you guys likes it. And I hope you have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below and like my video if you do like it. Let me know what you think about this easiest nail set ever. And ring the bell notification if you wanna to see any of my future video that I will upload it. And I hope you guys have a great day. I will catch you in next time. Bye.